Hi, my name's Orielua Aloro, and today I'll be teaching you how to classify polygons. In this lesson, we'll learn how to classify polygons, identify different types of polygons, learn about polygon parts, and answer the question, what is a polygon? So let's start with that. What is a polygon? Polygons are two-dimensional shapes that have at least 3 sides and 3 angles, hence the name polygon, which means many angles. So here are some basic rules you need to know in order to identify polygons. First, it must be a two-dimensional figure, meaning that it can be measured across and up/down. Second is that it must be a closed shape. This means that all the sides connect together at vertices or points. Third, all the lines or sides must be straight, no curves whatsoever. So here, we'll start by identifying the difference between non-polygons and polygons. We have our rules up in the corner, so go along with me. First, for this circle. This shape is not a polygon because this shape has curved sides, which is a no-no for polygons. This second shape is also not a polygon because this shape is open. All the sides don't connect. And last, this shape is a polygon because it is a two-dimensional shape, has no curves, is closed, and has angles and sides. So here are the parts of a polygon that you'll probably need to use later in school. So here in the green we have an interior angle, which is formed by 2 sides connecting and making an angle on the inside, kind of like a slice of pizza. Here in the dark blue we have a side, which is one of the straight lines that make up a polygon. In the light blue, we have a diagonal, which is a line that is not part of the polygon, but it connects 2 opposite vertices together. And last, a vertex, which is a point where 2 or more lines meet in a polygon. More than one is called vertices. So here are some of the common polygons you probably have seen around and will need to know for your whole life. A triangle, which has 3 sides, a square, which has 4, a trapezoid, which also has 4, a pentagon, which has 5 sides, a hexagon has 6 sides, a heptagon has 7, an octagon has 8, a decagon has 10, and a dodecagon has 12. So here are 2 major classifications of polygons. First, quadrilaterals. So all quadrilaterals have 4 sides, meaning that something like a square or a trapezoid go into this category. A characteristic is that all these shapes' interior angles, which is the pink, add up to 360. In triangles, they all add up to 180. Another way you can classify polygons is by irregular versus regular. Regular polygons have sides and angles that are the same lengths and measured the whole way. These are called equiangular and equilateral. They just look perfect. Irregular polygons are any other polygons that don't fit into regular. These can have different side lengths and they can have different angle measures. Another way you can classify them is through convex and concave. Convex polygons have no exterior angles. They don't just have a piece of pizza you can take from the outside, but concave polygons have 1 or more exterior angles, or angles that you can form from the outside of the shape. So for example, for this concave one, it looks like you could take a slice of pizza from the outside, while for the convex, you can't. So it's activity time. There are polygons all around you, in your neighborhood, in your house, and even in your backyard. Your job is to find 6 polygons, 3 shapes in your house and 3 shapes outside your house, and then classify them using what we just learned. Remember to use our polygon rules to determine whether it's a polygon or not. For example, here's a polygon you can find outdoors, a stop sign, which is also an octagon. So here's an example. We will classify all the different ways to name this polygon. So first we'll check if it's a polygon. We see that this shape has straight lines, it can be measured up and sideways, and it's a closed shape. So this is a polygon. Next, we'll name this polygon. We'll count all the different lengths, or we'll count all the different sides. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is an octagon. Next, we'll figure out if it's irregular or regular. Remember, regular polygons have all the same length sides, while irregular have different side lengths. So I can see from this shape that all the sides are different, so we'll go with irregular. So we'll decide if this is convex or concave. Well, I can see from this spot and this spot where the arrows are pointing that there are angles pointing inwards that you can take a pizza slice out of, remember? So this is concave. So therefore, we can call this a polygon first, and then an irregular concave octagon. Next, we'll have another experiment. For this, you'll need marshmallows and pretzels. So using your pretzel sticks as sides and your marshmallows as vertices, connect them together and create your own polygons. Remember, once you've created them, classify each shape as concave/convex, or irregular or regular. Make sure they are polygons again by our rules. And do not forget this essential step. Do not forget to eat the polygons when you're done. Thanks for watching. If you need more help, I'd be more than happy to explain one-on-one. Email me at ori.alora40@gmail.com or this other email. Thanks!